Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to deactivate Bluesky. So guys, first thing what you will do is simply open up the Bluesky application into your device. And now from here, just simply tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. And now from here, just simply go to the bottom and you should be able to see here settings. So just simply tap on that. And from here at the top, you should be able to see here account. So just simply tap on account. And now from here, you should be able to see deactivate account. So tap on that. And from here, guys, when you deactivate your account, your profile, post, feed, list will no longer be visible. And guys, there are no limit for account deactivation, so you can come back anytime if you log in into your account. So just simply tap on yes, deactivate. And after that, you should be able to deactivate your account. So guys, in order for you to reactivate it, you can just simply tap on sign in and just simply sign in back into your account in order for you to activate it again. And after that, just simply tap on next. And from there, you should be able to reactivate it. As you can see, just simply tap on yes, reactivate my account. And there you go. See ya.